In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through each step in a straightforward and easy to follow manner. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your HubSpot trial guide. This is where you'll be able to access all the tools and features available in the CRM. Once you're there, your next action is to click on CRM in the navigation. This section is basically the heart of HubSpot. It's where you manage all your customer relationships and keep everything organized. After selecting CRM, look for the Contacts option and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated area where all the magic happens. It's your hub for managing individual contacts and their information. Here you should see a button or option that says Create Contact. Go ahead and click on Create Contact to start the process of adding a new contact. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the contact's information. Begin by typing the individual's email address. Having an accurate email address is crucial, as this will be the primary way HubSpot identifies and communicates with this contact. Next, click on the first name field to enter the person's first name. Ensuring that you get these basics right will help maintain a clean and organized contact list. You might notice another field labeled Contact Owner. Click on this if you want to assign ownership of this contact. This is particularly useful when working in a team, as it helps clarify who's in charge of the relationship. Assigning an owner can also lead to more personalized interactions. Moving on, you'll see fields labeled job title and phone number. Enter these details if they're relevant and available. Filling out this information can greatly enhance the quality of your contact data and support appropriate segmentation for future marketing and sales efforts. You'll also come across an option to specify the life cycle stage. This is a key feature in HubSpot that allows you to track where a contact is in their journey with your business, whether they are a lead customer or otherwise. Similarly, there's a lead status field. Defining the lead status helps in categorizing your contacts based on their level of engagement or interest. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on the Create button to save your new contact. And just like that, you've successfully added a new contact to HubSpot CRM. As you familiarize yourself with these steps, try to be consistent in the information you add for each contact. It'll make managing and utilizing your CRM much smoother in the long run. Thanks for watching and happy HubSpotting.